ready to start shaping out the handle. Here I had clamped 2 additional 1x2 pieces of birch. The battery died on the camera before I was able to get it. But here we go, just a bunch of clamps to get it all nice and even while gluing 3 different pieces. Pretty similar to The next step is we're going to need to start working on this profile. We're going to need to remove wood to get these limbs to start flexing. As you can see right now, this is not able to be a bow at all. It is one strong piece of wood. So we're going to start removing wood off the profile, and we'll shape this handle out. We'll start tillering, or we start bending it to make sure it's bending nice and even. Down at the limb tip, I have a 1/2 inch of thickness, working up to a full thickness, 1 1/4 inch away from each side of the handle. That'll just allow me to do this tapering more in a fine way. Up here, this is still too thick, but I want to take it away with a rasp instead of with the bandsaw. So now I'll show you how I cut it out with the bandsaw. One of the things I want to get a better one of, bandsaw. Keep having problems with this blade coming loose. Problem is, bandsaws are serious money. So all that was to save some time. Instead of having to rasp away this wood off the belly, cut it off with an electric saw. But this saw does not make even cuts. I don't know if it's that this blade is just dull already from the bows I've already made. But I'm not too happy with it. Get what you pay for, huh? Alright, now time for the more tedious process, in which I'm going to use this rasp, Shinto Rasp. And we're going to start taking down tons of this one. Here's a shot of what we're going to end up with afterwards. That's all the wood I'm going to need to remove by hand. Also, if you don't have a pair of fur-lined Crocs, what are you doing with yourself? Come on, get with the program. It's 2020. I was tempted to want to use the bandsaw to take off more wood to match that other profile. That bandsaw is giving me so much trouble. I think it'd be better to try and just take it off manually, which means a lot of work. So there will be a lot of rasping away wood to take off that profile. Here we go. Here comes the more meditative aspect of woodworking, where I'll just kind of get lost in the sauce. Or so, or 2, or 3. Alright, so far I feel like we got a pretty even stave going. Got like the profile down the sides. It's looking pretty even. It's not perfect, but it is much closer to being even than it was before. It's like a huge part of the bow making process. All the sides gotta be even. From left to right, top to bottom, to front to back. We need even, smooth curves, and that will make the even, smooth bend of the bow. Swoop. Maybe you noticed earlier I was taking a lot of smaller strokes and smaller sections. That was to try and even out all the high spots. Now it's going to be these big long strokes. So you're trying to take wood basically evenly off the entire limb. The handle, that's it. Big long strokes. And now the plane isn't like jumping over all the uneven spots. You can almost hear it with your ear that it's the smooth edge the whole way across. I would say that's pretty even. Man, I wish I would have done this before. This is a good way to actually see the profile and angles. So not only am I learning how to make bows, learning how to videotape making bows.